Good morning, Hofstra friends. My name is Amanda Getz. I am the graduate assistant in the Office of International Student Affairs, and I am a second year in the Higher Education Leadership and Policy Studies program here at Hofstra. Good morning, Hofstra friends. My name is Amanda Getz. I am the graduate assistant in the Office of International Student Affairs, and I am a second year in the Higher Education Leadership and Policy Studies program here at Hofstra. Today I'll be taking you through my normal Tuesday. Today just happens to be the kickoff day for Unity, an interactive community art project that shows connections around Hofstra and in the community that my office has been working on. Good morning. Paul? Okay, y'all, we are here setting up for Unity. Say hi, volunteers. Hi. Yeah, these are our poles, and they each have different identifiers. And so you get to come around and wrap yarn around each of them. Hi. So how was your experience with Unity?
Cool. I thought it was really cool.
Yeah.
I think it's like a good way to see how everyone's very connected, even though we all have like a lot of differences.
Yeah, there were a lot of questions that I don't usually ask myself. Like, oh yeah, like I'm this and I'm
Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hi.
This is so fun.
Okay. Oh, what am I? I love the arts. That's where I'm going.
So how was your experience at Unity?
I think it was very cool. I got to see all the different people that got to tie their strings before me and identify with many different people at Hofstra.
Hi, Ev.
Hi, Amanda. How are you?
Hi, Anne.
Hi, Amanda.
How are you?
Great. How are you?
I'm great. Are you excited for Unity?
I'm so excited. I can't even tell you. It's fantastic.
Yeah! Hi, Clarissa.
Hello.
What's your favorite thing about Unity?
I think my favorite thing is how we can learn more about all the different members of our community in ways that we
This was my first Unity project. I know we did this last year at Hofstra, but the connectivity that I felt just pulling my yarn through with our students was amazing. It was self-reflective at the same time, and I'm just glad that we're doing that.
How was Unity for you?
It was terrific.
Yeah, good?
I'm so excited to be here for the beginning of it and can't wait to see it in a couple days when there's more and more yarn attached. Do you like it?
How was Unity for you?
This is a terrific event, and I love the way it brings all sorts of folks together to think about themselves, and just as importantly, to think about how we're connected.
One of the coolest parts of my job is co-supervising the Global Mentor track through the Peer Alliance, and they mentor first semester international students here at Hofstra. Hey everyone, thanks so much for following along on my very eventful Tuesday. I was so happy to take you around Unity, showing how connected Hofstra is. Kita and I are officially exhausted and ready to go to sleep, so bye.